what clothes to wear in Zimbabwe. Are you planning on traveling to Zimbabwe? You will love this country. Sunset and sunrise remain pretty much constant throughout the year, and it's always relatively mild weather even in the winter season. So when you are traveling, put these things into your suitcase. You'll need a variety of light clothing that packs easily. In many places, you will only need light casual clothing. But if you want to go out somewhere special, there are many amazing restaurants and nightlife places that are on a parallel with the Western world. Also pack long-sleeved tops for extra sun protection. You'll need some denims and some walking shoes or boots for those beautiful long nature walks. Also pack a light jacket for windier days and a heavier jacket if you're traveling during the winter months. It's worthwhile packing some swimwear and beachwear. Yes, I know, Zimbabwe is landlocked, but there are many swimming pools and inland beaches that are just amazing. If you're anywhere in the area, check out Mazoe Dam. You can thank me later. But, warning, do not wear any clothing that is made from camouflage material in Zimbabwe. It is illegal to wear anything that might be mistaken for or could mimic military wear. Misrepresentation of an officer of the law is strictly forbidden in Zimbabwe, and wearing camouflage clothing is considered to misrepresent yourself as being a member of the military. Do you want to learn more about Zimbabwe? Just search for SARURA Kids on YouTube Kids today.